Welcome back to another episode of Mixing with the Geek. Today I'll be showing you how to make a little piece of island paradise called the tiki. This drink was invented sometime in the 60s at Donna Beachcombers in St. Paul, Minnesota. It's basically a pina colada with vodka instead of rum. So if you like that, you're gonna love a tiki. Now this is a very simple drink to make. All you need is 3 basic ingredients. We're gonna start by grabbing your blender and filling it with about a cup of crushed ice. Next we're gonna add 5 ounces of unsweetened pineapple juice. Then 1 ounce or 2 spoonfuls of coconut cream. Finally, we're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. Then we're gonna flash blend everything for no more than 5 seconds. Pour into a drinking vessel of your choice. I'm gonna use a coconut mug here, but a pilsner glass or a tiki mug will do just as well. Serve with a straw and garnish with a little paper umbrella. And let's try this delicious treat. Oh, that is yummy. Oh, well there you have a tiki. If you like this drink, you gotta try a variation using macadamia nut liqueur. It is out of this world. Whichever one you end up making, hope you enjoy doing it. And be sure to watch our latest episode on the top 10 albums I would bring to a desert island. I wonder which ones I brought. Gotta watch and find out. Well, thank you for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm your Vinyl Geek, and I'll catch you on the flip side.